You will learn when you know how to
As.
ask the right questions.
Like, sharing kayo ng knowledge. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao maalam agad. So, welcome to another episode of Kaka-Computer Mo Yan. So, our topic for today is conquering midterms, finals, and capstone. So, Ate Jen, may question ako sa'yo. Why are midterms, finals, and capstone so stressful for student and how can they prepare ahead of time? Ikaw, alam ko may experience ka sa mga ganyan, syempre.
Syempre, as a senior. Wow.
Senior?
So, basically, conquering midterm, finals, and capstones.
Syempre, nakaka-stress yan, ate.
Syempre, pagsasabayin mo siya, capstone with midterms, the finals. So, paano nga ba? Considering na sabay-sabay silang tatlo,
Syempre,
you would list down ano yung priority. Kailangan may hinihit ka na progress or may hinihit ka na quota each day towards the progress. Halimbawa, with the capstone, you would list down what are the important things that you would do to achieve that goal.
yeah.
Then, each day, kailangan, kahit hindi mo siya matapos agad-agad, magkaroon ka ng progress within that day.
Syempre, ate, feeling ko kapag exam week, expectation talaga ng mga prop natin na makapasa tayo, na nakapag-review tayo or something, di ba?
Yeah.
Kailangan, syempre, perfect. Kumbaga, na-stress tayo kasi kailangan perfect yung presentation, kailangan pasado tayo sa exam. Kasi, yun talaga that's the truth about, di ba? School
And then, you're in college.
Yeah.
So, basically, in a college setting, you can't learn with each other right away.
Yeah.
So, basically, you would need to get out and then experience on your own kung ano man yung mga kakayahan ng bawat isa. So basically, in our setting, computer engineering. So sa computer engineering, we have hardware and software. Everyone is not really good at both. So some people are good with the software side, some people are good with the hardware side. So we have programmers, we have those people who are nagwa-wire. So,
Arduino.
Yeah.
Di ba?
So if you stick on that one lane, you won't survive in our course.
Yeah.
So kailangan
magaling ka both side.
Or you would know kung ano yung side ng isa.
Yeah, kumbaga willing to learn ka both side.
Yes. So, basically, kailangan mo mag-venture out of your zone na kailangan alamin mo kung ano yung kakayahan ng isa na kaya na lang itulong sa'yo. So, it's all about the input, process, and output at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So, yun.
So, next question is, what are some effective study strategies that student can use to perform well in exam and capstone? Ikaw ate, may mga techniques ka ba na ginagawa? Like pag exam week, bago mag-exam week, like effective study tips mo sa mga viewers natin ngayon. Anong tips mo as a college student na graduating na? Graduating. Yeah.
So, syempre, you can balance out everything. Pero kasi, once you reach this point na mag-thesis ka na and everything comes right away. Yung mga inaral mo from the first year, andun siya It's a collective notes or collective lessons of what you've learned from the first year. Although sabihin natin na, trabaho ko naman, hindi ko naman siya magagamit.
Yeah.
But you would, actually. So,
that's the truth.
pagdating mo ng thesis, every presentation is really connected from everything that you've started from. So, from the lessons na kahit calculus man yan or physics since we're engineering, it's really connected with what thesis you have.
Yeah.
So, considering na we have this capstone and exams, so, dun mo lang siya mapapaikot Those exams are just validation na you knew or you learned something. Pero those scores are not really the validation na na may natutunan ka o hindi. Kasi alam naman natin, at the end of the day, we get low scores. So, sino man ang nakaka-relate dyan?
Ka-close na lang po namin ng
So, per
ikaw,
se,
ano mga like tips mo ate when it comes to studying? Like yung effective tips mo, the way na mag-study ka. Like preparation mo kumbaga. Anong ginagawa mo? Like
note-taking is really heavy on me. Kasi,
ako din.
pagka ninote mo ang isang bagay, you will eventually remember it. parang not really right away, pero kaya mo siyang balikan na, na-note ko to eh.
Pero
Or like,
hindi ko maalala. May mga ganun, di ba? Hindi ko maalala.
So parang, familiar to ah.
Oo.
Nabasa ko to somewhere, I wrote it somewhere. So parang,
Pero
kaya mo
hindi
siyang balikan.
Yeah.
Halimbawa, you're listening and then you're note-taking, then pag exam day na, i-review mo na lang yun. Then,
Yeah.
maalala mo kung ba't mo siya ni-note.
Mm.
Kasi it was said na kasama yan sa exam.
Kasama yan. Lagi namang talagang kasama sa exam ng lahat. Yeah, feeling ko lahat naman siguro.
So, those kind of things na magpaparemember, like patterns, things, yun.
Sa tingin mo ate, effective sa'yo yung mga group studies? Siyempre, computer engineering tayo.
Group studies, yes, yun. Yung mga group focus.
Mm.
Kasi, we have, yun nga, like I said a while ago, we have hardware and software.
Mm.
So, not everyone is really good on it. Like
Yeah.
sa wiring, we have this sort of RPi, Arduino, Raspberry Pi.
Yeah.
Those
Ay,
kind
hirap
of
aralin
those
mag-isa
kind of
yun.
wiring that we have.
Mm. Mm.
So, yun. Then we have on the software side, may mga embedded systems pa tayo.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
the Internet of Things. And then the evolving generation na kailangan na natin mag-machine learning and AI. So,
Hindi kaya mag-isa lang yun. Kailangan
Yes.
you ask help for your classmate na mas marunong, may mas maalam.
when you have this connection na magaling siya on the software side, and then you don't,
Yeah.
that's your time na you can ask basics.
Yeah. Di naman makakawala
not,
sa
not
ano.
really anything
Oh,
na
yeah.
kailangan mataas agad.
Yeah, yeah,
Parang, ano mo nagawa yan?
Mm. You ask.
You ask, pero you ask the right questions.
Yeah. yeah.
Asking any questions lang, agad-agad. So parang, you will learn when you know how to ask the right questions. Parang,
Kumbaga, ang mangyayari sa group study kasi batuhan kayo ng knowledge, kumbaga. Like,
Yeah.
sharing kayo ng knowledge. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao maalam agad. Kumbaga, you ask sa professor mo, sa mga classmate na mas matalino kaysa sa'yo, di ba ate?
kasi parang, imagine it, parang ikaw nasa isa kang table, per se. Ito yung table. And then, ikaw, you would put something on the table and then yung kasama mo, syempre, she would take it or he would take it. Then it's coming from you. So parang ikaw yung nag-start ng basic knowledge niya towards something na yun. Then you should feel great if you are. Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi-
Hindi nakakawala ng pagkatao yung magtanong sa kaklase, ha? Minsan kasi may mga pride tayo, eh. May mga pride tayo na hindi ako magtatanong kasi re-reviewin ko to mag-isa. Pero,
And then meron din tayo mga times na you're just socially awkward na
yeah.
nahihiya ako magtanong eh. She might be busy or busy kaya siya, ba't ako magtatanong? Mga ganun. Pero we're in college, so basically lahat tayo are learning. So it's a matter of understanding lang na kailangan ko siyang turuan or guide kasi classmate ko siya and I want her to be with me along the way on this journey.
Kumbaga, nasa
Study.
school tayo to learn. So, ano lang tayo, kumbaga, parang training ground natin to, etong school natin, di ba? Kumbaga, you ask to your classmate, your professor, ganun. So,
So,
next question, Ate Jen. Feeling ko makaka-relate ka dito. alam ko lahat tayo ng mga student nakakaranas ng burnout. So, next question is, how can student avoid burnout during this high-pressure academic period?
Burnout.
Yeah. Ako nababurnout ako, personally.
What do you do pag naburnout ka? As you said?
Nagme-me time ako. Hindi.
Me time like, paano?
Pumupunta ako sa coffee shop, somewhere na feeling ko malilesen yung stress ko. Kumbaga, pinupuntahan ko yung mga lugar na peaceful, ganun, like coffee shop. Kasi,
Yeah, detox.
Yeah,
Basically.
detox. Yeah.
Mag-off ka ng phone.
Social
you take
media
time with
detox.
yourself.
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi, it's the media all over. So, parang, since nga, na-stuck tayo sa pandemic over the few years.
Years.
2 years? 3 years?
Ilang years na tayo na
Yes. So, parang, tayo yung generation na it's really into social media and the clout.
Hindi natin mabitaw-bitawan yun. Alam ko, maraming student na makaka-relate dito. Like, once you scroll, there's no turning back. Di ba, Ate Jen?
It's the discipline lang. Talaga na parang kailangan, may discipline ka na once you open that door, that phone, kailangan may oras ka, kailan mo siya papatayin.
Yeah.
Kasi,
There's no turning back.
Kasi yan din yung first cause ng mga burnout.
Yeah.
Kasi you would procrastinate.
Magpa-procrastinate ka.
Main reason of procrastination, social media. For me.
Yeah,
actually.
ako din. Relate ako dun Ate
So,
Jen.
yun. So, main reason siya, kasi
Nawawala na yung time mo.
you would open your phone kasi sasabihin mo nga na
Yeah.
yung attention span mo nawala na from coding per se or wiring. So, sabi mo,
Di ka na
di na ako
makakapag-review.
makapag-isip. So, I would just open muna ng phone, scroll muna ng TikTok, and then magchat-chat na si kaibigan.
Tara, ML. Ay, same. Same ka.
Tara, ML.
Di ka makakahindi sa ganun.
So,
Feeling ko.
Then, kinabukasan, magsisisihan kayo. So, sabi mo, kasi niyakag mo kasi ako kagabi. Then, wala tayong na-review parehas. So,
Diba? Self-discipline at the end of the day.
it's you and yourself at the
Yeah.
end of the day. So, sa burnout,
Feeling ko,
Kami ba?
time management ate, pinaka-importante dyan.
yes, to
Kasi-
avoid.
To avoid
Actually.
burnout. Kasi,
Pero, big word yung time management.
yeah.
It comes with the discipline talaga.
Mm-mm.
Kasi, ang oras, nandyan lang yan.
Yeah.
Hindi yan nawawala.
Mm.
So it keeps on moving. So the discipline starts with yourself.
Yeah.
Talaga na kailangan within that time, within this period, may nasimulan ka na or may natapos ka na.
Mm.
So yun, it comes with the pressure, kaya ka na-burnout. Pero that pressure is really necessary for you to finish things naman. So yun.
Self-care.
Wow.
Feeling ko, ate, sa time management, kasi ako personally, nahihirapan ako before sa ganyan eh. Hindi ako marunong talaga mag-time management, Ate Jen. Like, legit. Kumbaga, kahinaan ko yung time management, lalo na pag hawakan ko na yung phone ko, may mag-notif lang dyan. Wala na, sira na yung gagawin mo the whole day. Like, yung magre-review ka dapat, di ba?
Yeah. Mapapa-uninstall ka na lang talaga.
Kaya importante po talaga na mag-social media detox kayo. Like, recommended ko sa mga student na gaya ko. Ikaw, Ate Jen, nagsa-social media detox ka ba?
Yeah. Kadalasan.
Lalo na pag exam week, feeling
Exam
ko.
week.
Or,
And then, lalo na ngayon na may thesis. So, kailangan na talaga niya mag-detox. Hindi ko na nga nabubuksan yung ML ko eh.
yeah. Kailangan mo muna mawala sa social
It's
media
the guilt.
world. Yeah.
It's the guilt. At the end of the day, ba't wala tayong progress?
Mm.
Kasi nag-ML ka eh.
Kumbaga, pag nag-social media detox ka, doon na pumapasok yung, alam mo na yung gagawin mo dapat, like mag-review,
Yeah.
tapusin mo na yung mga tasks na dapat mo gawin.
And then, to avoid burnouts, siguro, since nga,
Yeah.
we're saying conquering midterms and capstones.
Mm.
Sa capstones and thesis, hindi lang naman ikaw mag-isa.
By group kayo.
You're by group. Unless
Magaling
you're
ka
conquering it by yourself. Then, good job for you.
Kaya mo yan.
Talino mo. Send
Hindi namin
tips.
kaya yan.
Send tips.
Yeah.
And then, you're in a group. So, syempre, may kanya-kanya kayong role. And then, hindi mo maiwasan na you have
Saluhin yung task
mas
ng isang
marami
tao.
kang task
Yeah.
compared sa iba.
Mm.
So, basically, you're in a group. So, kailangan, nandun pa rin yung importance ng role ng bawat isa. So, avoid burnout. Na hindi lang ikaw yung nagawa. You would delegate. You would endorse.
Yung mga task na
yung mga
dapat.
task na yun. So, yeah, we would like to thank our sponsors for supporting this episode. If you're finding this conversation helpful, don't forget to
Subscribe and share. Syempre. With your classmates.
And then, we have these sponsors, actually. Coffee Lancers. It is a mobile coffee station for corporate events, life celebrations. The flagship product is Nitro Cold Brew Coffee. The cold brew method results in a stronger, less bitter, and less acidic coffee, which make it suitable even for people who have hyperacidity. The other product include bottled cold brew and a cheap coffee. So,
Parang favorite ko na to, ate. Parang para sa akin ang kape to.
so with a customized label to match the theme of the event.
Yeah. Importante to sa mga estudyante or mga nag-work.
Mga nagpupuyat over
Mga
the
nagpupuyat.
capstone.
Lalo na yung may mga midterms dyan.
Prelims.
Importante to. Next question, Ate Jen. Anong role ng time management during midterms, finals, and capstone? Anong natutunan niya? Kumbaga, sa'yo, Ate Jen.
Yan. Just like what I said kanina, time management. So, yun. Nandyan lang naman yung oras.
Yeah.
Then, what you do with it is what's really important. So,
Yeah.
yun. Kung ano man yung gawin mo tungkol dun sa oras na yun, sa oras na yan, is yun yung mahalaga. Since, yun nga, nandyan lang yung oras. So, how you waste it, how you use it, is what really important.
time is gold. Kumbaga, time is gold. Importante
Ikaw?
talaga. Importante siya sa akin kasi yung attention span ko. Hindi siya yung kaya mag-review talaga.
Straight.
Like, straight. Hindi ko kaya yung ganun. Ewan ko sa ibang tao na magaling talaga mag-review like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Akin na, hindi. Pag once na nag-review ako, dapat may phone ako nakatabi. Kaya, pre-practice ko din sa sarili ko. Kasi nga, 3rd year na po tayo. Andito na yung mga capstone. Mga project po talaga na mahirap. Like, mga Arduino.
Yes.
Like, mga circuits na. So, sa akin, importante siya na alam mo yung task na gagawin mo within the day.
Ano bang mga ginagawa mo within the day? You would ask yourself at the end of the day
Oo.
kung naging worth it ba yung araw mo. O may nagawa ka ba today?
Yeah.
Magsa-self-check ka lang. Minsan.
Self-reflect.
So, yun. Important niya.
Para mapagsabay-sabay mo yung personal time mo, like yung me time mo sa school stuff. Importante yun eh.
Kasi, ma-reality check ka na lang na, may oras pa ba ako sa sarili ko?
Oh.
When you come to that point, you would need time for yourself. Pero
Oo.
hindi naman dapat laging me time.
Doon pumapasok yung burnout. Di ba? Lalo, pag puro aral.
Puro aral, puro thesis, puro...
Like, importante yung
thoughts.
may physical activities ka.
Yes,
Like jogging.
actually. Yun.
Jogging. Running era. Running era ka na ba? Ako kasi running era ako. Like, running. Sure.
And then, another question.
Yeah.
How can you handle procrastination?
Procrastination.
Procrastination.
Nag-ano po
Do you experience?
Oo, lagi po. Yes po. Like, may mga times po talaga na dinidelete ko muna yung Instagram, yung TikTok. Kasi masyado siyang, alam nyo yun, distractive masyado. So, inaalaw ko yung sarili ko na mag-review. Ikaw ba? Magre-review ako ng 25 minutes, then may break lang ako na 5 minutes. Lagi kong ginagawa yun. Ewan ko, ikaw.
Kadalasan kasi nagpo-procrastinate ako pag halimbawa hindi ko na na-enjoy yung ginagawa ko.
Same.
But I do really love, kasi I'm a computer engineering student, but I do really love programming.
Yeah.
I was supposed to be an IT student.
Sheesh.
But then, why not aim for the engineering? You're good at math. So nandito ako ngayon sa computer engineering. So, I had to learn wiring from the very, very start.
Yeah.
So, kailangan nandun yung matututo ka talaga sa mga classmates mo. So, cheers to dun sa mga nagturo sa akin dyan.
Thank you po.
Dahil sa inyo, nandito ako ngayon sa
Yeah.
4th year. So, yun, basic foundation ng wiring. I don't really enjoy wiring. So, kadalasan na find ko yung sarili ko na pag-wiring or subject ng wiring. Nakaasa lang talaga ako sa mga kaklasmate ko na magaling mag-wiring.
I save ate dyan.
I would really procrastinate over those kind of
Kasi
stuff.
hindi mo pa alam.
Kasi hindi ko siya masyadong
Hindi mo siya gamay.
enjoy.
Ay, hindi mo enjoy
Though,
yung wiring.
Nag-enjoy ako on the process, pero hindi ko siya enjoy na
Inaaral.
yun. Kasi when I'm coding, when I'm programming, I'm in that zone.
Yeah.
Na tuloy-tuloy lang, na kaya ko siyang gawin over the
Like
period
ilang-
of time.
Yeah, ilang
Kahit
hours.
ilang oras pa ako
Yeah.
nakaupo dun, my mind is working, and then, yun, boom, it's done. Parang, kahit may errors or something.
At least nagawa.
Yeah. Unlike sa wiring, magka-error ka lang or not error, prob ka lang. Hindi mo na alam saan ka nagkamali. Then you would repeat all over.
Kumbaga
Though,
lahat
parang sa
i-re-report
coding,
mo.
you would,
Debug.
yeah, yun. And
I-debug
then,
mo yung code.
hahanapin mo yung mga
Mali.
But then sa wiring kasi,
Di mo siya
it's a
kita.
whole loop of wires.
Kumbaga lahat titignan mo. Sa
Kumbaga,
baka
lahat
nagkamali.
iti-check mo, lahat iti-tester mo. Did
Yeah.
you have just short circuit or not?
Oo, ganun.
So, basically, ganun siya kahirap. So,
Yeah. Ate Jen, question lang. Ano yung pinagkaiba ng computer engineering, IT, and ComSci for you?
most questions yan. Lalo
Yeah.
na sa mga mag-enroll pa lang. So, computer engineering is a branch of hardware and computer science. So, basically, we have software and hardware sa computer engineering.
yeah.
So, pag magka-computer engineering ka, you must know na hindi ka lang magko-code dito or hindi ka lang mahihirapan sa calculus, sa maths, and
Yeah.
etc. Nandito papasok yung mga machine and the machine learning and
Electronics.
the electronics
Yeah.
itself. The components itself ng mga yon.
Yeah.
And then, the IT, is where you design front-end and back-end, etc.
Software.
So, software. Then, sa CS is the whole network.
Network kasi ang CS po.
Yeah. So, parang basically, computer science, nandun lahat ng data.
Yeah.
Nandun lahat ng analyzations. And,
Maraming student kasi ate nagtatanong. Syempre yung mga first year natin na papasok sa computer engineering.
so, yeah. Since we're a computer engineering, I can explain anything regarding that. So, nandun magsisimula yung mga, what we have right now, mga mechatronics, mechanical, electronics. So, basically, mechanical, more on motors, and then you would program still para mapagalaw yung mga motors na yun. So, most thesis includes machines and the machines itself, machine learning, embedded systems, and the Internet of Things that we call. So, yun. Right now, yung mga Internet of Things na nakikita natin that are existing is yung mga home security or home, parang smart homes. Mga, you would just clap and then mag-on na yung lights.
Mamamatay na.
Mamatay na yung lights.
Yeah.
Then you would ask, Alexa, open it, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, parang dun siya nagre-revolve around those kinds. May components and then may programming. So if
sa
you're
mga
into that,
upcoming first year, masasabi mo upcoming first year.
if you're into that,
Yeah.
go with computer engineering. But it's a whole long way process.
Yeah,
Dito.
lahat matututunan mo. Like, gigisahin ka talaga from the start.
So, yun. So, you would really need a great mentor and a great mental stability to enter this zone.
Yeah. Kumbaga,
Kasi
kailangan...
you would need a tough preparedness regarding this.
Minsan pumasok ako nang hindi ako prepared. Kasi
Mahirap yung sa gitna ka, saka mo
Yeah.
questionin yung sarili mo, ba't nandito ako?
para sa akin ba to?
Kasi dun ka mapapa-question eh. Kasi you would really need to build your own portfolio per se bago ka pa graduate. So, kailangan alam mo na yun bago ka pa pumasok.